Steve Albini, a titan of indie rock, passed away at the age of 61, leaving an indelible mark on music history. Renowned as both a producer and performer, Albini's influence reverberated far beyond his studio work, shaping the sonic landscape of alternative rock for decades. Born in Pasadena, California, Albini's formative years were marked by a nomadic childhood before settling in Missoula, Montana. His musical journey began with the discovery of Ramones, igniting a passion that would define his life. Moving to Chicago, he immersed himself in the city's vibrant punk scene, where he found his place as a musician, engineer, and cultural provocateur. Albini's career spanned an eclectic array of projects, from fronting bands like Shellac and Big Black to producing seminal albums for Nirvana, Pixies, and PJ Harvey. His engineering prowess, characterized by a preference for raw, analog sound, revolutionized the recording process and earned him a reputation as a maverick in the industry. Beyond his technical skills, Albini was known for his uncompromising principles and outspoken criticism of exploitative music industry practices. Refusing royalties and keeping his rates low, he prioritized artistic integrity over commercial success. At his recording studio, Electrical Audio, he emphasized clear communication, ensuring artists' visions were realized without compromise. Albini's unorthodox approach to recording sessions, often characterized by reading or playing Scrabble, reflected his commitment to maintaining a fresh perspective and avoiding unnecessary tinkering. Despite courting controversy with provocative band names and song titles, Albini's convictions remained unwavering, and he later expressed regret for any offense caused. In addition to his musical endeavors, Albini was a skilled poker player, winning 2 World Series of Poker gold bracelets. His irreverent style and infectious grin endeared him to fans and fellow musicians alike, underscoring his larger-than-life persona. Reflecting on his career, Albini remained unapologetically authentic, stating, "I don't give a shit. I'm doing it, and that's what matters to me." His legacy as a visionary, provocateur, and uncompromising artist will continue to inspire generations of musicians, embodying the spirit of indie rock and pushing boundaries until the end.